Hi everyone. So, we are now in lecture number 3. In this lecture, we will be focusing on finding solution by algebraic method. Lecture number 2, the previous lecture, dana koina finding solution by graphical method loigre ko. So, let's move on to finding solution by algebraic method. Algebraic method sida कमाइना सॉल्व तौगनी हाइबसे डायरेक्ट खंगद्रिङाइदा अखोइना algebraic method से मागी कानाबसे हाना हाइगे को हाइदी प्रॉब्लम अमा लेबा कांदा अखोइना सॉल्यूशन पुथोकपसे ग्राफिकल मेथड ना यारे हाइरगा algebraic method na amuk tawbagi darkar se kaigino haibado aduma hana understand tawde ko graphical method na tawba kanda khoida khudong jadaba mayam ama leirakpa yawe adugi damaktaneba khoina algebraic method se puthoga algebraic method na amuk tawdoise aduna see the first line. Graphical method is not convenient in cases where the points representing the pair of equations has non-integral coordinates like 1 by 11 or 2 by 13, 2.73 or minus 3.41 or minus root 2 comma root 5 haidi non-integral coordinates oira kandadi ngasai akoina lecture number 2 da graphical method ki yekpa kanda akoina table ama seme ko table du da x ka y ga gi value do ko adugi x ka y ga gi value do sida hairiba 1 by 11 2 by 13 sigi se natragana 2.73 natragana minus 3.41 or minus root 2 or root 5 sigi value se oiba kanda akoina graph se yekpada yam inconvenient oigani ba cartesian plane da yelakpa kan adugi da makta akoina problem se sigumba masing se involve tawra akanda di akoina algebraic method se sizinagani ba so algebraic method se akoina makhal ahum lay. The first one is substitution method, second one is elimination method, third one is cross multiplication method. So ahanbada koina substitution method se understand or se ko substitution method hai targadi the word itself substitute kai haino substitute hai se noi oza ama absent oirakanda oza ama changakpase koina kai kawi substitute kaudra substitute teacher ga haidra substitution oina changai ine haidi oza dugi mahutta noigi asengbo oza dugi mahutta kanano ma ama changakpado mahut sinba hai tare ko chap manai substitution method sida su akhoina tawdoise kaino variable amabu akhoina amana substitute tawthokdoine gyan tare ko substitute tawthoga equation sida variable amatang leihallaga akhoina variable amtang lei taragadi equation sida akhoina variable dugi value puthokpa ngamani dana adugi concept tu dane gyan tare ko so substitution method se aina example ama lauraga aina step by step haidi substitution method se kamaina step by step tawgani habadu sida ulake ko so we take the example 2x plus 3y equal to 32 this let's call this equation 1 and 11y minus 9x equal to 3 let's call it equation number 2 so step 1 da akoina tawdoise either of the equation haidi sigi equation 1 natragana equation 2 sida akoina whichever is convenient akoina khwaidagi laigadaba ama choose tawrani aduga sigi any equation sidagi akoina variable ama puthoktoineba variable amagi basis in terms of other say from either equation which is convenient find the value of one variable say y in term of x example sida oina hairage ko aina equation je equation number 1 choose tawre ko equation number 1 sida 1 sidagi aina puthoktoise kaino y gi value puthoktoineba kanagi term da haidi kana yawhallaga x yawhallaga gyan tare ko so 2x plus 3y equal to 32 y puthoke hardi kaino aina x ki value je right side ta puthokhrani so 32 minus 2x dona y dang le hello ge hardi 3 se kedani right side ta chatladi kai orani divide So y equal to 32 minus 2x by 3. Gyan tare ko. This is the first step. Haidi first step sida kaino aina tawdoise finding finding the value of one variable y in terms of x. Ko. Second step tana kaino akoina tawdoise substitute the value of y akoina ngasai step 1 da y gi value phangibado adugi value se kanada substitute tawgadaba in the other equation. In the other equation hadi kaino aina ngasai y gi value puthokiba equation se karamba equation na equation number 1 aduna aina substitute tawraktoisina karamba da equation number 2 da tawrakadaba kaigino hai targadi aina equation 1 dagi y gi value do puthoe aduga equation 1 da adum hapchan targadi aina phangdoise kaino equation 1 do dum phangni gyan tare ko. So aina substitution gi part se step number 2 da ne ko aduna step number 2 sida akoina masai step 1 da y gi value do akoina step equation number 2 gi equation sida akoina substitute tawani. So equation number 2 sidi kaino 11y minus 9x equal to 3 haibane ko aduna y gi value se ngasai step 1 da kai haina phangre 32 minus 2x by 3 aduna y gi value se si substitute tawani adu oi targadi equation sida yauriba variable se kanada ngai hore x ta ngai horadra x ta ngai ramnina equation sina variable amatang oi targadi akhoi kedaure variable gi value se puthokpa yare. So we solve it accordingly aduga x ki value se 7 tare gyan tare ko. Hoji akoina phangi se kaino x ki value phange ko. So what is left now? Y gi value dang puthokadab dang ngai ko. Aduna y gi value puthokringai da further step number 3 da chatringai da ai sida nb notes da aina iri sida iri se sigi matang se kitang naina gi se ko. Sometimes after substitution you may get an equality relation with no variable. Haidi aina sigi 11x minus 9y equal to 3 sigi sida substitute tawraba matungda y gi value substitute tawre ko y gi value substitute tawraga tari ise kaino minus 49x equal to minus 343 haibanatra sigi equation ama tari inatra adubu kaigum kanda karamba makhal kaigum kanda di equation se kamaina tare I haira kanda variable se mangiba haidi minus 49 equal to minus 343 na sumainga tarakpa su yaurakani variable yaudana tarakpa equation do adu kanda di akoina check ani tawgani ba kamaina check tawgani equation se chumbra natragana equation se lanbra. Say for example minus 49 equal to minus 343 sigi se chumbra chumde minus 49 haiba value se minus 343 haisiga suman mana de chumme ko aduna sigi pot se lan banina kai haire if the relation is false makhagi se ko if the relation is false then the pair of linear equations is inconsistent, that is it has no solution. Haidi variable yaudaba relation tare e khallase substitute tawraba matungda tare iba relation sina lalaba haidi right side left side ka right side ka manadraba value se adu oi taragadi hairiba piramiba linear equation do kai oani it has no solution haidi linear equation do inconsistent oi haidoine adu natabida minus 49 equal to minus 49 tare khalase haidi equation ani se manare relation se manare ko 49 haise 49 ga manai haise chumi natra adu ai targadi kadawre it has sida yengo ko if this relation is true then you can conclude that the pair of equations have infinitely many solutions. Gyan tare ko akoina ngasai graphical method tadi kaidawi exactly one solution natragana infinitely many solution natragana no solution haibse graph ki matung ina khange adubu substitution method tadi akoina kamaina khangani ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯔꯁ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯞꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯚꯦꯜꯌꯨꯁꯦ ꯁꯦꯀꯦꯟ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯞꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯕꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯏꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁꯟꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯒꯅꯤ alright so let's move on to step number 3 step number 3 ꯗꯅ ꯀꯩꯒꯤ ꯚꯦꯜꯌꯨꯅꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯇꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ x ꯒꯤ ꯚꯦꯜꯌꯨꯗꯣ x equal to 7 ꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ so in this step number 3 we will find the value of y ngасai step number 1 da akoina y gi value se kaya ga manai na haigre y equal to 32 minus 2x by 3 aduna sida x se akoina 7 substitute tawraga we get the value of y as 6 so the solution of this particular pair of equation is x equal to 7 and y equal to 6 so it has exactly one solution which is 7 comma 6 next akoina algebraic method ta ngasai substitution haiba amane elimination haiba amane and then cross multiplication haiba amane ahum ne ko substitution loigre uzi amu elimination method sida amu la ase ko elimination method hai taragadi eliminate hairagadi kaino lawthokkiba remove tawba kakthatkiba gyan dai ko lawthokpa haisine eliminate haise aduna sida tawdoise kaino ngasai substitution da akoina variable amabu variable atopa amagi term da express tawraga mahut sinjanbado adumaina sidana kai tawrakadaba variable ama se akoina eliminate tawthokkidoine haidi lawthokkidoine aduga variable ama tang leihauba equation oina semdoine so variable ama se akoina eliminate tawge hayadi kamaina tawgani step 1 ko eliminate tawbagi step first step step 1 se ko kamai eliminate tawgani hara kanda either equation animak se akoina multiply natragana divide by certain non-zero constant amana puri sanba natragana divide tawba ama tawrani aduga huziki hairiba equation ani se kaidawba minus natragana subtract tawdoine gyan tare ko aduga huziki hairiba variable yauba magi keno se akoina remove tawdoine so the first step is ngasai multiply natragana divide tang tawbagi first step se oidoine ko so let's take the example of 3x plus 2y equal to 13 which is equation number 1 5x minus 7x minus 5y equal to 11 which is equation number 2 sigi pot se akoina equation 1 jina akoina 5 na multiply tawre equation 2 jina akoina 2 na multiply tawre adu ai taragadi kai tarni equation 1 se 2 5 na multiply tawba kanda 5 into 3x 15x plus 5 into 2y 10y equal to 13 into 5 65 equation number 3 kaurase ko sigi sina next 7x into 2 14x 5y into 2 10y equal to 11 into 2 22 akoina ngasai equation 1 dana aina 5 na into tawriba aduga equation 2 dana aina 2 na into toise kaino sida yengo 10 amana plus 10y aduga amana minus 10y sigi pot se aina tinjanna taragadi 10 minus 10 10y minus 10y haira oiraktoi natra aduna sigi y hairiba variable se eliminate tawthokidoi natra aduna si eliminate tawraknaba akoina yengdoineba karamba number na into tawraga natragana kaigum kanda akoina divide su tawdoineba adu kanda eliminate tawba yai habdu that is the first step ko so moving on to the second step ngasai haigriba equation 3 ga 4 ga do 15x plus 10y equal to 65 14x minus 10y equal to 22 sigi hairiba equation ani se akoina tinjinnaba kanda kai oira ani 15x plus 14x kai oira ani 29x plus 10y plus minus 10y kaya oira ani 0 oira ani animak se negative sign ni na subtraction ni dana tawdoise addition haija taragaso 65 plus 22 kaya oira ani 87 so excuse me, 29x equal to 87 si leireko ngasai akoina substitution method tasu equation se akoina substitute tawraba matungda equation se akoina variable yauraktrakanda ngasai akoina condition mayam ama check tawraga pair of equation do solution leigadra leiroidra natragana infinitely many solution oidora haiba check tawidana chap manana elimination method tasu sigi second step sida akoina kaigumba variable yauraktraba equation sida adu aitargadi kai orani if the equation is true and with no variable haidi 29 equal to 29 haiba oire e khallaseba step number 2 sida ko example adu aitardi kai torni ngasai hairammiba pirammiba original pair of equations hiding ngasai first ta kemta into divide tawdringagi equation do adugi equation do kai oini haiba infinitely many solutions laigani gyan tare ko adu natabida pirammiba equation je 29 equal to 87 oire khallase adu ordi 29 haibse 87 ga manai haise lali natra adu aitargadi kadawni ngasagi pirammiba original pair of equation do kadawni it will not have any solution gyan tai ko sigi basis sida aina makada asterisk mark tawraga solve 3x plus 4y equal to 7 6x plus 8y equal to 9 this to solve tawo so you will know whether it will have solution or infinitely many solution or no solution gyan tai ko so let's move on to step number 3 step number 2 da khoi kai phangre x ki value dang x ki term da we just found out an equation which is only in x ko so we move on to step number 3 step number 3 dana kaidawa ngasai akoina step number 2 da phangi ibe equation do we step number 2 da karamba makhal gi equation phange after eliminating one variable y we only get an equation which is only in x ko aduga step number 3 dana khoina kaidawa x ki value puthok pirani so 29x equal to 87 haiba ko step number 2 dana sai phangib so the value of x is 87 by 29 adu aitargadi akoina hujik lehauriba puthokadauba value se kanagi da ngaire y gi da ngaire ko aduna substituting the value of x akoina hujik step number 3 da phangakiba x ki value do either of the equation 1 da bu oiro 2 da bu oiro somna hapchan biro hapchalaga y gi value on puthok biro so the value of y is 2 therefore the solution of this particular pair of equation 1 and 2 is x equal to 3 y equal to 2 yan tare ko so hoji hoina substitution method loire elimination method su loire now the remaining and the final and the last one is cross multiplication cross multiplication hai taragadi akoina amana ama multiply tawnaba haidi equation 1 da yauriba value khara se equation 2 da multiply toksanba or equation 2 da yauriba sina equation 1 cross multiply gyan tai ko sigi particular way of solving pair of linear equations ina ngasai ani dudaidi kitang khetnarani ko ngasai substitution method ka elimination method ka da di akoina kamaina tawi directly step 1 2 3 na follow tawraga akoina x ka y ka gi value se adum step to dagi oina puthore eba adubu cross multiplication dadi akoina generalize oiba form amada magi formula ama hana puthoga adugi potudang apply toksalaga akoina cross multiplication gi sidi akoina puthoke yaeba ko so masai aina haurakpadasu haigibdo amana ama cross multiply tawnabagidamaktani akoina sigi mamingse cross multiplication thole haise ko sida akoina generalize oiba formula puthoktoinina aina sida lauriba equation ani sisu generalize oiba equation oina laure ko a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 equation number 1 a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 equation number 2 aduna equation 1 sida aina equation number 2 gi b2 sina into tawre aduga equation number 2 sidana b1 equation 1 gi constant b1 sina into tawre aduga ani se aina subtract tawre subtract tawra kandadi aina x ki value se sidai puthoani ba masa aina kai haigi generalized oiba formula oina puthoktoine haiba natra aduna x ki value se c2b1 minus c1b2 by a1 b2 minus a2b1 sigi step kai kamaina puthori ino sidi nasana adum yengjaro ko aduga cross multiplication sida noina sum munna yengune substitution plus elimination animak sida hapchalaktoini ko substitution elimination gi part sina kaino masa elimination da kai hai khoina we multiply by we multiply or divide by a particular non-zero integer or constant and then we subtract or add the equation ko adui matungda amu akoina substitution dana kaidawi substitution method dana particular value ama y bu oiro x bu oiro adugi value do in terms of another puthoaga next equation do substitute toksale haiba natra so cross multiplication sida adugi animak to yaudoini ko so sida kai oirani x ki value se akoina puthoe x ki value se puthoaga provided the condition magi sigi se b1 c2 minus b2 c1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 haiba natra x ki value se x equals to ko aduna makhada lairiba value se it can never be 0 makhada lairiba value se 0 oi targadi kai orni anything divided by 0 it is not defined ko aduna makhagi da lairiba value se it can never be 0 haise ko provided it's not 0 sigi x equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 hairiba equation se kone equation number 3 na thola se ko then hojiki to minus chap manana aina equation number 1 se a2 na amuk into tawraba aduga equation number 2 sina a1 na into tawraga mu subtract tawraga sidagina aina kai phangani x ki element se aina eliminate tokthokidoi aduga y gi value puthoktoine ko so y equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 provided a1 b2 minus a2 b1 not equal to 0 sine equation number 4 ko equation number 3 dagi akoina kai phange x equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 ko aduna sigi mathakta lairiba b1 c2 minus b2 c1 se x ki makhada thamo adu oi tardi kai lehorani x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 ko aduna sigi sina khone equation number 5 na korasi equation number 4 da ngasai kaino tagibdo y equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 ko aduna chamanana sisu c1 a2 minus c2 a1 se y gi makhada thamo adu itardi y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 sigi sina khone equation number 6 na thola se ko so sida yengo equation 5 ka equation 6 ka sida yengo ne x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 equal to 1 by a1 b2 a2 b1 y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 haidi sigi value x by c aduga y by certain value c se animak se manaba amada loi manari natra aduna haibidi kai haino moi ahummak se loi equal oi haine sigi ratio ahummak se aduna akoina sigi pot se x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 equal to y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 sigi hairiba pot se koina kamaina ningzanggani hairdi sigi diagram number 1 se sumaina yekthoba sigi je yekthoga adum memorize adum tawoba. So x ki mapada b1 b2 c1 c2 ko mayai b dagi han horoba b1 makada b2 c1 makada c2 e b loigramnina c loigramnina makoktei hardi kanano a lakadaba a1 a2 a gi matungda kana b1 b2 gyan tare ko b dai horo c loiradi amu kana lakani a gi matung kana lay b gyan tare ko aduga arrow makada amana makada minus mathaki ani se into taw gyan tai ko sumaina tawraga x kina b1 c2 minus b2 c1 y gina c1 a2 c2 a1 1 by a1 b2 a2 b1 sigi diagram sima it's very important cross multiplication gidi akoina kamaina value se exactly phangani hairaga sigi akoina general oina derive tawriba sigi formula se sidang ningjang biraga akoina adum solve tawba yai. Alright, so let's solve it. So let's solve 8x plus 5y equal to 9, 3x plus 2y equal to 4. So write the given equation. Step 1 da ko piramiba given equation se akoina general form da ithokpi se kaigino da akoina ngasai puthokiba formula dudi general form da gi puthokimni dana aduna general adu apply tawba yana akoina general form da hana loi ithokpi gadaba ko. So 8x plus 5y minus sigi 9 je right side tala hamse left ta pusaladi minus equal to 0 3x plus 2y 4 se right side ta left side tala adi minus 4 equal to 0. So it is now in the general form. Next, ngasagi aina haigiba diagram ama yekpado. With the help of that diagram, haigiba diagram to the b1 b2 c1 c2 a1 a2 b1 b2 magi value do ngasagi step 1 da layriba equation dudagi value do substitute tawraga diagram se yeo ko. So this is the diagram se ye aba matungda ngasagi general formula do amu derive tawro value kaise loi substitute tawraga gyan tare ko. So this is step 2, and now in step 3 you will be able to find the value of x and y. Ngasai x by so and so equal to 1 by so and so. Gyan tai ko adugido equate tawnaro. Sida yauriba variable se kanadang no x tang natra aduna x ki value puthok yani. Chap manana y by so and so equal to 1 by so and so. Gyan tarani ko aduna sida yauriba variable se kanadang no y dang aduna y ki variable puthok value puthok pa yadoine. Gyan tare ko. So now ngasagi akoina substitution da bu oiro elimination da bu oiro kai haigi exactly one solution laibasidi akoina adum magi value do puthokpa yai solution laitaba natragana infinitely many solution laiba natragana no solution laiba condition loi laigidra atai method ani dugiso chamanana cross multiplication da su laigani cross multiplication da point number 1 da yengo ko aina general equation gida oina example pirake ko point number 1 sida ngasai a1 a2 minus a2 b1 not equal to 0 haidi kai haino a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2 haine. Then the pair of equation 1 and 2 will have a unique solution. Sigi ratio ani se mase manada tardi unique solution laigani ba. Graphical method ta koine yaugibdo tuga chap manadoini ko. Then a1 b2 minus a2 b1 se equal to 0 oira aba ko sigi value sina 0 oirak taragadi kai oira ani magi value sina 0 oire hai taragadi a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to k haidi a1 by a2 ki value se b1 by b2 ga manadoine ba hairiba value ani se kanagumba value k 0 oiba yai 1 oiba yai 2 oiba yai any value amaga manaraktoini dana sigi condition se lai taragadi kai oini pair of equation ani se infinitely many solution ꯂꯩꯒꯅꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ same condition ꯁꯤꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2 ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯈꯜꯂꯁꯦꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ not equal to c1 by c2 ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯈꯜꯂꯁꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯤꯔꯝꯃꯤꯕ equation ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯦ it will have no solution ꯉꯁꯥꯏ graphical methodꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯈꯤꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯩꯀꯣ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ point number 3ꯗ ꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦ c1 by c2 equal to k ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯈꯤꯕꯗꯗꯤ a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2 ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ kꯁꯤꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯔꯤ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯁꯥꯡꯕꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯄꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯏꯕꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁꯝꯖꯜꯂꯒꯅꯦꯕ ꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ so this is how you will be finding pair of solution of pair of linear equation by using algebraic method. So this is the end of this particular lecture, the end of algebraic method. So what you have to go through noina sigi section sidagi noina go through tawgadaba noina extra ithokadaba recall tawgadaba gaise coordinates in Cartesian plane kai haino magi properties non-integral numbers haise kai haino constant number haise kai haino ko and what you should keep in mind and never forget is substitution method hairagadi koina first thing substitution method haibda hek ningjangadause kaino finding one variable in terms of other ko aduga substitute tawna ko elimination method hairagadi kaino variable ama akoina eliminate tawthokpa either by multiplying or dividing with a suitable constant and then performing addition or subtraction. Cross multiplication method hairagadi sida piriba formula se sigise adum si oina ningjangbiba. Alright, so this is the end of our third lecture. We will talk about problems involving pair of linear equation in our next lecture number 4. Thank you.